Yeah, I left the SKS behind. I mean, I really don't do well with the SKS. For some reason, it just doesn't work well for me.
First shots I've heard for a while.
Yeah, I'm actually going to move closer to you so that I'm actually in the zone.
Slightly is him coming over from our right hand side. If anybody has the same idea as us, just get the furthest. Wow, somebody got the car. Wow, it's 39 people alive in this small zone.
Vehicle explosion. Wow, killed 2 of them.
I have to assume that a bunch of people are about to die outside the play zone.
They're having a nice little firefight over there in the woods.
Yeah, well, welcome to it. They should be cowering on the beach like us, sunning ourselves. Oh, I see a guy.
Yeah, where?
He is on the rocks opposite us. He is basically about there where I've marked in yellow. Yep,
Right.
I can take a shot. He's just standing there.
Take it.
No, I want to kill him if I want to take the shot.
Do you want me to take a shot too?
He's got a buggy. He's right there. He's kind of looking at me. I don't know if he sees me. He's in the zone and we're not. I think, can you see him? He's just standing there.
Yeah, I see him.
Okay, let's try and kill him because he's one on his own. Let's wait till he's standing in somewhere exposed though, right? Okay, now. Ah, fuck. Stop moving, dude.
Hold on, where is he? Me? Okay, I see him.
See him?
Yep.
Right, let's go. He's down, that means his buggy's up there. Try to kill him. He's dead. His buddy's still alive though.
I'll go back to watching behind us. Well, not behind us, but yes.
I see his buddy.
Oh, coming out.
His buddy sees me.
Oh.
Yep.
He got a really good shot.
Have we got an Apex? We should. Problem is, he's in our zone.
Running up 30.
Yeah, we're gonna have to
No,
go.
he's literally right in front of me.
Who?
There's a guy right in front of me.
Oh, he's just chucked. He's dead.
Nice.
Now I'm pretty fucked though. We need to take a medikit before we go. We should start moving
Yeah.
into the zone. Oh, we're pretty fucked as well.
Yeah. Just like painkillers. We gotta go now.
Our buddy who was down there that we were shooting at is going to be in. It's Christmas for him.
Yeah.
We can still actually move towards him. Nah, maybe we just find a bush. Oh, there's 2 bushes in front of us.
Bush was a little small for me.
Right, well we know there's a guy exactly behind us.
Do you want to take care of him?
No, I think he's going to get pushed by the zone, so I think we wait for him to come to us. You're not really in a rush. Oh,
Yep.
wow. That guy's got pretty lucky with his own placement. I say we wait a bit, let him move down onto that beach before we do anything. There's going to be people in those houses. Should we head towards the guy behind us now, see if we can finish him off?
Yeah, we can do that.
You see him?
Yep.
Don't fall down.
Got him.
Mr. Preston, has he got any good gear?
Double check real quick. He was lurking on someone. Energy drink, painkiller, bandages. He had an M4, level 3 backpack. He had a lot of ammo.
There's this rock here that we need to head for. Wait a second, is that a guy? No, there's a rock here. Let's get a series of rocks just inside the zone.
Ooh, I like this. I like it if no one comes up behind us.
No one's behind us. See a person in a car driving towards us. West, southwest. Sounds like all the people are over that side of the little zone. Which, to be honest, is
Stay there.
absolutely fine with me.
Yeah, they could stay there. Oh, oh, dude, the zone came so close.
Wow.
That's funny.
What were the zone is though? It's like on the beach.
Alright, we've got 4 teams max. We've got quite a ways to move though, but
I feel like they've all got to come past each other to get to the zone.
be smart.
There's a bush we can try and hide in. I don't know if it's in the zone. I don't think it is. There's a couple of bushes on the beach that if we can get in them.
Alright, let's do it.
I feel so exposed.
Oh, right to north?
Where?
Exactly north. He's getting actually lit up.
Damn it, this bush is not in the zone.
Should we get in the water?
The last two people just kill us by default.
Hold on. I have an idea.
Yeah,
I'm gonna beach the boat and we're gonna use it as a,
There's only 2 other people alive, and one of them's running right towards me.